Hey guys, Lance and Les from Two Guys and a Mouse, and we are on our way into the Polynesian. We're gonna check out Trader Sam's, get a beverage, and show you a little bit about it. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you inside.
Going the front door of the ceremonial house.
Monorail? Over here is the drop-off. They've got my car. Just kidding.
Big long white one?
Yeah, the big long white one. Alrighty, so here we are, Trader Sam's. We tried to go in the front door, waitlist was closed, so we're out here on the terrace. We're gonna get ourselves a little table, get us a beverage. Gentleman playing the ukulele behind us. So good to go. All right, so we're gonna get a drink, and I will tell you what we get. All right, so we just got our drinks. This is a Captain and Ginger. We got the what is it? The hippopotami Mai Tai over here, and we've got the zombie over here. So first impressions of the drinks.
Strong alcohol. It's alcoholish, but it tastes so good.
You like the hippopotami Mai Tai?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Is it sweet? Is it?
Yeah, it's a little sweet. Like orange juice kind of flavor.
Is that mint in there? Does it taste minty or?
I think that's mint.
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
Does it bring does it bring it up, like elevate it a little bit, make it a little lighter?
I don't really taste it.
I think it's just a garnish.
Oh, okay. Very good.
All right, hey everybody, Les from Two Guys and a Mouse here. So we're sitting at the Trader Sam's terrace outside of the ceremonial house here at Polynesian Village Resorts. So we're behind the ceremonial house, which is the check-in and quick service dining, which is Captain Cook's. And there are two restaurants inside, Kona Cafe and Ohana. And Ohana has character dining with Lilo and Stitch. Now, if you imagine that the resort can be split in half, behind where I'm sitting are cash rooms that anybody can just call Disney and say, I want to stay at Polynesian Resort and pay cash or put it on a credit card. Lance is holding the camera, so behind Lance is the DVC side, so only DVC members can stay on that side of the resort. Kind of unique, but it gives the opportunity to stay here even if you're not DVC, because this is a deluxe Walt Disney World resort. There's two pools here. There are bars at both pools. You can actually order food at the pools, which is very nice. There are cabanas at the pools that you can rent ahead of schedule. They're a little pricey, but they do pamper you a little bit. It includes some drinks like sodas and waters and ice and towels, and you can sit in the shade if you like. Fantastic resort. I own DVC here at this resort. My family loves staying here, so there's a lot more to it than that, but just to give you a quick explanation of what it's like today, that's about it. So thanks for coming along, and we will see you later.